What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to install my pole starter that I ordered, this guy, on my bicycle right there. Because I noticed that when I go to start pedaling to start the motor, the spokes are starting to get the spokes are starting to get bent, and I want to stop that from happening. So I bought this pole starter off of, I think, eBay or Wish. I forgot which one. I made a video on unboxing it, and today I am going to show you guys how I go about installing it, because I told you guys I'd make a video to show you guys. So this is the video. Okay. What I'm gonna do first is set the camera up, and then I'm gonna remove. Let me place the camera down. Okay, I'm going to remove this part first because this is where the pole starter is going to go. So let me first start with that. This shouldn't be that much of a difficult process, I don't think. In case you guys are wondering, it is a T15. These are T15s, I believe. Yeah, T15. Some models differ, but for the most part, they're T15s. Four of them hold it on, and that's the cover. This is your magneto. This is what generates the power. Goes through, up into your magneto, which fires the plug. I'm gonna try and keep this gasket, which is kind of garbage, on here from the factory because I don't have RTV yet. I will be getting RTV though. Now, before going further, I did drill 2 weep holes in this because I noticed that when it rains, this will leak, fill with water, and it will short this out. I had that problem, and this is my second magneto and CDI. So before I go about installing this new starter, this new pole starter on my bike, first I'm going to fit it just to verify that it fits properly, which it does. And then I'm going to go ahead and drill 2 holes for weep holes to allow water that fills in there a way of escaping. This way it doesn't short out my distributor. I'm sorry, my magneto. That's a big problem. I don't have any RTV with me now. I will be getting some RTV, so I will be sealing it up. I'll try to make a video on that. Right now, I don't have time to go to the store, get it, come back, put it on, wait for it to seal, yada yada yada, because I do have to get to work soon. I'm using a 1/8 drill bit to drill holes. Since the engine is on an offset, I'm going to drill 2 holes on both sides of the lowest mounting bolt right here. So one here and one here. This way, when it's on an angle, water can drip out here and it doesn't get stuck there, and it can drip out there. Again, this is aluminum. It's very easy to drill through. So when it's on there, it's going to be like this. So water can develop on this side or on this side. Here or here. That's why I'm putting 2 holes on either side of this casting. Depending on where the water accumulates, if water does accumulate there, it has an excess pour out. So this way it doesn't fill with water. Because with the original cover, it did fill with water. And that's all I'm gonna do. Just 2 small holes, just enough to allow any accumulated water that gets in there a way to escape. Now I have to install